Hello student, here we'll compare acidity of acetic acid, toluic acid, parachlorobenzoic acid, paranitrobenzoic acid and benzoic acid. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we will discuss about plus I minus I effect, role of plus I and minus I effect in the acidity comparison. So you should know what is anisetic acid. This is paramethoxybenzoic acid. What is toluic acid? Paramethyl benzoic acid is toluic acid. Here in terms of pK value also I will tell you that pKa of anisetic acid, that is paramethoxybenzoic acid, is 4.47 and this toluic acid, I will say paramethyl benzoic acid, is 4.37. What does it mean? It means this is having less value of pK, so paramethyl benzoic acid is more acidic as compared to paramethoxy benzoic acid. Again I repeat, paramethyl benzoic acid more acidic than methoxy benzoic acid. Why? Because both of them, methoxy group as well as methyl group, both of them are showing electron donating effect. So electron donating effect for OCH3 is much more powerful. So plus I more effective in case of anisetic acid. So it is the weakest acid among all of them. And this toluic acid is the fourth ranking. It is electron donating group plus I effect, weakening effect, acid weakening effect. Okay, acid weakens. Acid weakening effect. So first I have discussed plus I effect group, then we will compare everything. So compare between anisetic acid and toluic acid, and we, according to pK value also we will say, no need to mug up the value, but it will be very clear with pK, because pK is equal to minus log of K, and stronger will be the K value, more will be the acidity. So it means if pK is larger, so Ka will be shorter, and I told you more Ka value, more acidic compound. Okay, so we'll see and search out which is having least pK, that will be the most acidic. So in this case paranitroacetic acid, benzoic acid, paranitrobenzoic acid is most acidic because pK value is least among all of them, 3.41. Okay, and followed by parachlorobenzoic acid. See, it is having 3.398 this pK value, and benzoic acid is having 4.20. Okay, 4.20. So what does it mean? And why parachlorobenzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid? Question arises here because Cl is weaker electron withdrawing group, but is still showing minus I effect, so it will increases the acidity of benzoic acid a little bit, but more than benzoic acid. Okay, this we have compared. So which is the least one? Anisetic acid. Okay, toluic acid.